Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can download Monopoly Go on PC. First up, open your Google Chrome, and here in the search box, you want to type BlueStacks. So this is the Android emulator that we're going to use. And basically go to this homepage, bluestacks.com. And from here, just need to click on this download BlueStacks 10. And once you install this BlueStacks on your computer, you can just open this application and go to the search box and you just need to type Monopoly Go just like this. And here you can find all the Monopoly Go games. So basically go to the main Monopoly Go game and install on App Player. And if you're going to download and play this one, it will open up this App Player on your computer. So basically, you just need to install to your computer and you can now play it with your computer. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.